Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is partial fractions, and the subtopic is type 3 resolving into partial fractions when the denominator has non repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Partial fractions, method 3. Objectives: resolving the rational fraction into partial fractions when the denominator has non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. In this one, the first problem, resolve 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 into partial fractions. Here we have one non-repeated linear factor and one non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor in the denominator. You see here x minus 1 and x square plus 2. X minus 1 is the one non-repeated linear factor and x square plus 2 is the non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. Let 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 2. Here non-repeated linear factor we have to take a and quadratic factor we have to take bx plus c, where a comma b and c are constants to be found. After completing the LCM, we have 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal a into x square plus 2 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Put x equal 1, we get a equal to 3. Comparing the coefficient of x square, we get a plus b equal to 2. B equal to 2 minus a, we write that is also equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Comparing the constant terms, we get 2a minus c equal to 4. C equal to 2a minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal 3 by x minus 1 plus 2 minus x by x square plus 2. Okay. Now we go to the second problem. Resolve 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 into partial fraction. You observe here in the denominator part, here we have two non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors in the denominator. Let 3x square minus 2x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 equal. Here two irreducible quadratic factors. So that we write in the format of partial fraction is ax plus b divided by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d divided by x square minus x plus 1. After completing the LCM, we have 3x cube minus 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal ax plus b into x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square plus x plus 1. That is also equal a plus c x cube. We have to write in coefficient and comparing like that, equating the part a plus c into x cube plus minus a plus b plus c plus d into x square plus a minus b plus c plus d into x plus b plus d. Here we write x cube coefficient of separate and x squared coefficient of separate, and x coefficient is separate and the constant term is separate. Comparing the coefficient of, now we have to do the comparing the coefficient of x cube, we get a plus c equal to 3. We have to equating equation number 2. Comparing the coefficient of x square, we get minus a plus b plus c plus d equal minus 2. We write equation number 3. Comparing the coefficient of x, we get we get a minus b plus c plus d equal 0. This is the equation number 4. Comparing the constant term, we get b plus d equal minus 1. We have to write equation number 5. Now we do the 2 plus 5 gives a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2. We have to write this equation number 6. Now we do the 3 minus 6 gives minus 2a is equal minus 4, that is a equal to 2. Now we do 4 plus 6 gives a plus c plus d is equal to 1, that is d equal 1 minus a minus c, that is also equal 1 minus 3 equal minus 2. From 5 we get b equal 1 minus d, that is also equal minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. From 2 we get c equal 3 minus a is, that is also equal 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Here we get a equal to and b equal to 1 and c equal to 1 and d equal to minus 2. Now substituting this a comma b comma c d in equation number 1, we get 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 equal 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 plus x minus 2 divided by x square minus x plus 1. Now we substitute a comma b comma c comma d value substitute, we get this equation. Now we go to the third problem. Resolve 5x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 into partial fraction. Let we have to take 5x square plus 1 divided by x cube minus 1 is equal 5x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Here the denominator part we have to do the split. We get a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1. You observe here one is the linear factor, another one is irreducible quadratic factor. After completing the LCM, we have to equating 5x square plus 1 is equal a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Put x equal 1 in equation number 2. We get 5 plus 1 is equal a into 1 plus 1 plus 1. Like that 6 equal to 3a, we get a equal to 2. Equating the coefficient of x square and both sides of 2, we get 5 equal a plus b. Now we do this one, b equal 5 minus 2, that is also equal to 3. Then a equal to 2. Equating the constants on both sides of 2, we get 1 equal a minus c and c equal 2 minus 1, that is also equal to 1. Already we know that a equal to 2. Now the finally we have to substituting a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, c equal to 1 in 1. We get 5x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal 2 by x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Now the fourth problem. Resolve x cube plus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 into x cube plus 3 into partial fractions. Let x cube plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 is equal. Here the two quadratic factors are there, then we have to write in partial fraction format is ax plus b divided by x square plus 2 plus cx plus d divided by x square plus 3. After completing the LCM, we have to equating x cube plus x square plus 1 equal ax plus b into x square plus 3 plus cx plus d into x square plus 2. Equating the coefficient of x cube comma x square comma x and constants on both sides of equation 2 respectively, we get 1 equal a plus c, we have to equating equation number 3, 1 equal b plus d, we have to equating the equation number 4, 0 equal to 3a plus 2c, we have to equating the equation number 5, 1 equal 3b plus 2d equating the equation number 6. Then we have to do this one, 2 into 3, we get 2 equal to a plus 2c and 5, then 0 is equal 3a plus 2c, then we get 2 equal to minus a and a equal to minus 2, and also we have to write c equal 1 minus minus of 2 is equal 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore we know that a equal minus 2, and write here again 2 into 4, we get 2 equal to b plus 2d, and 2 into, and also we have to do the 6 equation 1 equal 3b plus 2d. We have to do the subtraction, we get 1 equal minus b, and also we get b equal minus 1, and therefore d equal 1 minus minus 1 equal 1 plus 1 equal to b equal minus 1. Therefore again we have to substituting the a values, a equal minus 2, b equal minus 1, c equal to 3, and also d equal to, in equation 1 we get the result is x cube plus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 equal minus 2x minus 1 divided by x square plus 2 plus 3x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3. Okay, now we go to the summary. We have discussed about resolving the rational fraction when the denominator contains non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. We go to the quiz. The partial fraction form of x plus 1 by x cube minus 1. Option A is a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1, and B is a by x cube minus 1, C is ax plus b by x cube minus 1, and D is a by x minus 1 plus b by x square plus x plus 1. What is the answer? Option A by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1. Now we go to the second question. If x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 equal a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1, then what is the value of c? Option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 0, option D 2. What is the answer? Option C, we get 0. Now we go to the assignment. Resolve x square plus 1 by x minus 2 into x square plus 4 into partial fraction. You have to observe in the denominator part, one is the linear factor, another one is irreducible quadratic factors. Second question, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 3 into partial fraction. Here also you observe in the denominator one non-repeated linear factor, one non-repeated quadratic factor. Okay, thank you very much.